In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrows in Notion. Arrows are a quick, visual way to point things out, show progress, or connect ideas in your Notion pages. We'll keep this simple and use Notion's built-in emoji picker so you can drop in clean, consistent arrows anywhere you're typing. First, place your cursor exactly where you want the arrow to appear. This could be in the middle of a sentence, at the end of a heading, or on its own line. The arrow will insert right at that spot, so taking a second to position your cursor saves time later. Now, type a /. The slash key opens Notion's command menu, which lets you quickly insert different elements without digging through menus. As soon as the menu appears, start typing the word emoji. You'll see an option labeled emoji. This is what we want because it opens the full emoji picker inside Notion, making it easy to search and insert the arrow you need. Click on the emoji option. The emoji picker will pop up, usually seen entered on your screen. It includes categories and a search box, and it remembers your recent emojis, which is handy if you use arrows often. If you don't see what you want right away, don't worry. That's what the search is for. In the emoji picker's search field, type the word arrow. Instantly, you'll see a range of arrow styles: thin, bold, curved, double-headed, and arrows pointing in different directions. This search filters everything down so you don't have to scroll. Finally, click the arrow emoji you want. As soon as you select it, Notion inserts that arrow at your cursor. If you need multiple arrows, keep clicking different options, or insert one and copy-paste it wherever you like. Add a space before or after the emoji to keep your text readable. And if you want the arrow to stand out, consider putting it on its own line. A couple of quick tips to keep your pages looking tidy. Pick a consistent arrow style and direction so your meaning is clear at a glance. If you change your mind, use undo to remove the last emoji, then pick a new one. And remember, arrows are in line with your text, so they'll move naturally as you edit it and format your content. That's it. /choose emoji, type arrow, and click the one you want. Simple, fast, and perfect for highlighting steps indicating flow or emphasizing action in your Notion pages.